Hello everyone, thanks for joining us for this video on Nuvoco V-Stars Corporation's IPO. We will take a quick look at some of the key points and provide our recommendation. IPO details. IPO का साइज अपर प्राइस बैंड पे 5,000 करोड़ रुपए है, जिसमें से 1,500 करोड़ रुपए फ्रेश इशू है और रिमेनिंग 3,500 करोड़ रुपए ऑफर फॉर सेल बाय सेलिंग शेयर होल्डर्स है. The issue opens on 9th August 2021 and closes on 11th August 2021. The price band is rupees 560 to 570 per share and the bid lot is 26 shares. शेयर्स के लिस्टिंग पर कंपनी का मार्केट कैप अपर प्राइस बैंड के मुताबिक 20,358 करोड़ रुपए रहेगा. And the shares are likely to be listed on the exchanges on 23rd August 2021. Objects of the issue. कंपनी जो फ्रेश इशू द्वारा 1,500 करोड़ रुपए रेज कर रही है, उसमें से 1,350 करोड़ का उपयोग डेट रिपेमेंट के लिए किया जाएगा. The balance would go towards general corporate purposes. So, what does the company do? Nuvoco V-Stars Corporation Limited (NVCL) इंडिया की 5th लार्जेस्ट कंपनी है और पूर्व ईस्ट भारत की लार्जेस्ट सीमेंट कंपनी है in terms of capacity. And they are one of the leading ready-mix concrete RMX manufacturers in India. As of March 31, 2021, कंपनी की टोटल इंस्टॉल कैपेसिटी 22.32 MMTPA है. NVCL के 11 सीमेंट प्लांट का स्प्लिट देखें तो 8 पूर्व भारत में है, within which 3 are integrated units and 5 plants are grinding units. NVCL के बाकी 3 प्लांट नॉर्थ इंडिया में है, of which 2 are integrated units and 1 is blending unit. NVCL has captive railway sidings at 6 of their plants. NVCL focuses on the trade segment, जो mainly individual home buyers होते हैं, उनको cater करता है. As of FY21, their sales from the trade segment of the market constituted 73% of their total cement volumes. As at March 31st, 2021, they have 244 CFAs and 16,076 dealers in India. पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स. कंपनी की ज्यादातर प्रेजेंस ईस्टर्न इंडिया में है, जहां डिमांड ग्रोथ बाकी क्षेत्र के मुकाबले में ज्यादा होती है. एडिशनली, उनका ट्रेड सेगमेंट में हायर शेयर होने के कारण वॉल्यूम्स और मार्जिन भी फेवरेबल रहते हैं. NVCL के पास स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रांड्स है और डाइवर्स प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियो है, which makes it a reputable building materials company in India. Apart from cement and RMX, NVCL also has modern building material products like construction chemicals, adhesives, wall putty, dry plaster, cover blocks, and dry concrete. The company's plants are strategically located, providing presence in geographies where the economics are favorable. Additionally, NVCL has a successful track record of executing acquisitions that aid in the growth of their business based on a careful selection of potential assets and the integration of these assets with their business. Financials. On the financial front, कंपनी की टॉप लाइन FY21 में ग्रो होती नजर आती है, परंतु ये प्राइमरीली as a result of the acquisition of NU V-Star Limited है. Apart from that, additionally borrowings taken in fiscal 2021 to fund the acquisition of NU V-Star Limited. Risk? For the risk, high debt on the books and heavy concentration in the East geography is a concern. Apart from that, constraints pertaining to sourcing of raw material and input cost inflation pose as a risk. At the upper end of the price band, the company is seeking valuations of 19x FY21 EV or EBITDA. Given the strong demand outlook, improvement in profitability and deleveraging, we recommend subscribe on the issue.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.